So Jewel, kamusta yung doing this experience? When you were told na gusto ka nilang kunin for this project,
Well, the first time I was told, sobrang excited ako about it. I mean, yung ano pala, yung maging part ka, maging participant ka ng activity na ganito. Sobrang, wow, it's a privilege already.
ano sinabi sa yung Coco before Chanel? May idea ka na ba yung about the movie?
No, actually, to be honest, hindi ko alam. I had no idea, but I had to research. Tapos
Okay.
nakita ko, and wow, yung Meg is really, really interesting.
And then, yung experience nito, mahirap ba? The makeup?
Medyo matagal yung preparation.
Okay.
Matagal yung preparation, pero yung pictorial itself, that picture, it didn't take us that long to get that one. Kasi ang galing nila lahat eh. Magaling mag-instruct naman yung photographer mo and the stylist and everyone. So, and we were just having so much fun that time.
Nagustuhan mo ba yung team? Kasi medyo 50s ba to? Pero period eh, no?
Sobrang
Gusto mo ba yung ano?
Oo naman. Kasi usually pag ginagawa akong pictorial, mga beauty shots, you know. But this is the first time I've done something like this. I'm so proud of the team. Galing.
Ay, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo dyan sa look mo na yan? The hair? Is it the makeup? Your dress?
Everything, everything. The expression of everything. Yung damit, yung face, yung hair. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-execute.
When you were shooting this, ano yung lagi sinasabi sa'yo na to capture the look? Ano daw dapat ang feeling?
You own everything.
Ganon.
Parang ganon, you own me, you own everything. Ganon siya.
Ayun, nakita mo na. Tingin mo ba, parang kamukha na kayo ni Audrey Tautou? Pwede na, pwede?
Pwede na, pwede.
Looking at the other pictures, ano yung favorite mo pa?
Ngayon pa lang. Ay, check lahat.
Search mo pala. Ayan. And what about what you're doing right now? Ano pang ibang aside from Bawi
With
siya?
kay John Lloyd, super nice din with that.
Yung ano, gusto mo yan. Sa Oscars ba may napapalo ka ngayon competing?
Hindi ako masyadong updated, pero I'm really looking forward to seeing Black Swan.
Black Swan.
What am I doing now? It's Bawi Jack still. It's airing and doon ako busy.
May iba pa daw bang projects na darating?
Meron naman.
Anything you can share?
I want the management to update everyone about the upcoming shows.
Is it TV or movie na? TV.
Movie! Basta!
Sino daw makakasama mo? May sinabi na?
I think na-announce na naman before that I'm doing another project with Gerald.
Is this another?
It's a teleseries.
Ayun, sige. Okay, thank you, Jewel. Thank you.